Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you 7 easy steps to learn swimming. So let's get started. First step is to make bubbles. Breathe in and go underwater to release bubbles. In second step, you stretch your arms and kick your legs. Third step is paddle your arms. Fourth step is control your breath and dunk into the water. Fifth step is float in the water. Sixth step is jumping in the water. In last step, you just start swimming. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel.